Hello students, in the last session we have discussed about derivatives of parametric form, okay, and logarithmic differentiation, okay. So, and second order derivative, okay. So in this session we are going to discuss about Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem, okay. So important for our examination. So here how the derivatives are used in our real life. Okay. So first see the definition of Rolle's theorem. Okay. So Rolle's theorem definition. Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem. So statement. So let f is mapping from a comma b to real number. So is a function okay. So I am considering one function f is mapping from a to b to real number is a function. So if so f is the first one condition, f is continuous in closed interval a comma b, and second one is so f is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Third one, if f of e is equal to f of b. Okay, if the function f is mapping from a to b is a function, suppose it satisfies the following condition. So that is f is continuous in closed interval a comma b, and f is differentiable in open interval a comma b, and f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one point C in a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So this is the definition of Rolle's theorem. So what it states that, so if f is a real value, if f is mapping from a comma b to R is a function, so f is continuous in closed interval a comma b, and f is differentiable in open interval a comma b, and f of a is equal to f of b. Suppose this function satisfies the following three conditions, so then definitely there exists at least one point C, any point C in the interval a comma b, such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So this is the definition. That means suppose geometrical meaning. See here, suppose this is the curve. Suppose it is a f of x. So this is f of x, the function f of x. Okay. So this is the point. So A. So this is A, and this is B. Okay. So see here. So from A to B, from the interval closed interval a comma b, so it is continuous. Yes, it is continuous. So already know that continuous means if there is no break in the graph of the curve. So from here to here, from this point to this point, so there is no break in the curve. So therefore f of x is continuous in the interval a comma b. Okay. So f is differentiable in open interval a comma b. So generally, so differentiable means there exists a tangent at every point. Okay. So that means from here to here, excluding a and b. Okay. So there exists a tangent at each and every point between a and b. Okay. So that is a differentiable. That is differentiable. and f of a is equal to f of b. So from here to here, so the value, this is f of a, this is f of a, this is f of a, and this is f of b. This is f of b. Okay. So this is f of a, the distance from the x-axis to this point, and so from x-axis to the point is here. Okay. So f of a is equal to f of b. So all the three conditions are satisfied. Then there exists another point C in the interval C. So C such that f dash of C is equal to, so C, this is f dash of C. So f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay. At that point, so there exists a tangent. So there exists a tangent which is parallel to the x-axis. That means the slope is 0. F dash of C is equal to 0 is nothing but the slope of the tangent is 0. So it means, so it is parallel to the x-axis. So this is the theoretical meaning of Rolle's theorem. Is it clear? So suppose if f is mapping from a comma b to R is a function. If f is continuous, see this is continuous in the closed interval recovery, and it is differentiable. So from a to b, so differentiable, and f of a is equal to f of b. Yes. So all the three conditions are satisfied. Then there exists at least one point. There is at least, definitely there exists at least one point C in the interval a comma b in between a and b. So that number must be belongs to the interval a comma b such that f dash of C is equal to 0. That means at particular point C, the whose slope is 0. The tangent f dash of C is equal to 0, its slope is 0. Okay, so write out this. And write down the geometrical meaning also. So take this graph. So take this graph x dash x y dash y. Okay. If all the conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied, so then there exists at least one point in a comma b at which the slope of the tangent is 0. So this curve satisfies all the conditions of the Rolle's theorem. That means f of x is continuous and f is differentiable in the open interval a comma b, and f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists one point in a comma b at which the slope of the tangent is 0. This is the tangent. The slope of this tangent is 0. That means f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, right. Next we shall discuss about some problems on this. So verify the Rolle's theorem. First column, verify Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. So x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So required for 3 marks. So 3 marks problem. Important. So verify the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. So x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So solution. Verification. So given function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, and x belongs to where, that is minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So first condition, so whether it is satisfies the first condition, that is whether the given function is continuous. So first one, yes. So being a polynomial function, so see that this is a polynomial function, already know that. So polynomial functions are continuous for all real values. Okay, so therefore, so being polynomial function, being polynomial function, so f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 is continuous. Continuous in closed interval 4 comma 2. The first condition. So it is enough. So no need to show again it is continuous. So already you know that every polynomial function is continuous for all real values. So in particularly, so this is continuous in interval 4 comma 2 also. Okay. So therefore f of being a polynomial function, so f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 is continuous in minus 4 comma 2. So first condition is satisfied. Okay. So then second condition. So whether it is differentiable, yes. So f of x is equal to f dash of x is equal to what? So differentiate this. F dash of x, that is 2x plus 2. So differentiation of 0 is constant. So f dash of x exists. So therefore f of x is differentiable. In open interval a comma b. Okay. So don't do mistake here. Definitely Western should be right. So it is continuous in closed interval minus 4 comma 2. So here Western should be right. It is open interval a comma b. So differentiable in the interval. The definition already see that. Okay. So third condition. So whether f of 2 is equal to. So generally you know that f of a is equal to f of b. So here a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 2. So whether f of a is equal to f of b, we are going to verify that. So f of a, so f of 4, f of minus 4. So just substitute f of minus 4 here. Okay, so don't confuse. Take f of x. So f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Our first one is f of minus 4. That is minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. So this is the divided. F of minus 4 is equal to 16. Okay, minus 8. So that is the answer. So f of minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly, f of minus 2. So f of plus 2. F of 2. So just replace x by 2. That is 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. Okay. So this is the divided. F of 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 8. So therefore f of 2 become, f of 2 is equal to 0. See here, f of minus 4, f of 2 have same value. So therefore, so f of 2, so that is f of minus 4 is equal to f of 2. That means third condition is satisfied. What is the third condition? F of a is equal to f of b plus f of a. F of a is equal to f of b, which is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore, so all the conditions of Rolle's theorem, satisfied. So then what about if all the conditions are satisfied, then there exists. So then there exists C in A comma B. There exists C in A comma B such that f dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0. So we need to find what about C. Okay, finally we find the point at which the slope of the tangent is 0. So that means we need to find the value of C. So f of x is nothing but what? So f dash of x is nothing but, so f dash of x is nothing but 2x plus 2. What about f dash of c? So f dash of c is nothing but f dash of c is 2c plus 2. Is it clear? So just I replace by c. This is f dash of x. So already we find that. So f dash of x equal to 2x plus 2. Okay. So f dash of c is nothing but So just we replace x by c. So f dash of is it satisfies all the conditions. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to 0. So just we put f dash of it is equal to 0. So 0 which is equal to 2c plus 2 is it? So why we are putting 0 here? So it satisfies, this function satisfies all the conditions of whole setup. So then there exists c in a comma such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So therefore, so we are going to put so f dash of c is equal to 0. So then find the value of c. So that is, so just you take my 2 here. So that is minus 2 is equal to 2c. That is, so c is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So that is c is equal to minus 1. So whether this minus 1 is belongs to the interval 4 comma 2. So open interval 4. By the definition. So this is belongs to minus 4 comma 2. So it must and should be right open interval. You must and should open differentiable. So therefore we are taking open interval. Okay, not taking closed interval. So this value minus 1 belongs to this interval. So therefore, Rolle's theorem verified. Okay. Rolle's theorem verified. Okay. So this is the how we verify the Rolle's theorem. Okay. So just take the given equation. So write down being a polynomial function, it is continuous. So write this one. And next find the f dash of x. Yes, it exists. So therefore it is differentiable in open interval a comma b. So open interval a comma b is equal to what? Here what? Here 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma 2. In generally we are taking a comma b. So but here they given the interval is given, that is minus 4 comma 2. So therefore we are going to write 4 comma 2. And third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. That is f of 4 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 0. All the conditions of the Rolle's theorem satisfied. So then there exists at least one point c in a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So by using this, we need to find the value of c. Okay, so f dash of x is there. So you take that and put x is equal to c. So f dash of c, that is 2c plus 2. So f dash of c is equal to 0. So with the Rolle's theorem, so just we put f dash of c is equal to 0. And simplify. Then we get c. So whether c is belongs to the given interval minus 4 comma 2, yes, it should belong to this interval. So then, so Rolle's theorem verified. Okay, right? Or you write hence Rolle's theorem. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Okay. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ Rolle's theorem and verify that. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಇದರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ a comma b. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ a comma b. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ a comma b ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ f of a is equal to f of b ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. f of 4 f of 2 is equal to f of minus 4 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 0 ಇದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ f of a is equal to f of b ಅಂತ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ f dash of c is equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಗೆ f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕರ್ವ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ Rolle's theorem. Okay, so next problem. Verify the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2 plus 2. So a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. Okay. So you must and should know the statement of Rolle's theorem. First in the Rolle's theorem statement correct ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ f of x equal to x square plus 2. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಸೊ a comma b, ಸೊ a comma b that is minus 2 comma 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ x is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ f of x is given, so f of x is given, so it is x square plus 2. Okay, so x in the interval where x belongs to, that is minus 2 comma 2 plus 2, minus 2 comma plus 2. So this is the given interval. Okay, so now we are going to verify all the conditions are satisfied or not. Okay, whether it is continuous in the given interval, whether it is differentiable in the interval minus 2 comma 2 open interval, and f of a is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2 or not. Okay, so first one is, so yes, it is also a polynomial function. So being polynomial function, f of x is equal to x square plus 2 is a continuous function, continuous in minus 2 comma 2. Yes, this is also a polynomial function, so therefore it is continuous. So similarly f dash of x, so differentiate this equation, that is 2x plus 0, differentiation of 2 is 0, so therefore f dash of x is equal to 2x exists, so therefore f of x is differentiable. So f dash of x is exists, so therefore f of x is differentiable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x differentiable ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ f dash of x exist ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, this differentiable in the open interval, so minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma. Okay, so then f of a is equal to f of b, I will check ಮಾಡಿ. So f of a is equal to f of b, that is f of x is nothing but x square plus 2. Okay, f of minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square plus 2, that is f of minus 2 is equal to, so that is 4 minus 2, that is 6. Okay, minus 6 plus 6, and f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2, so that is f of 2 is equal to, again this is 6. Okay, f of minus 2 and f of 2 exist and they are equal. So f of 2, so that is f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2 which is equal to 6. That means it satisfies all the conditions. The given function is continuous in the closed interval minus 2 comma 2, and given function is differentiable in the open interval minus 2 comma 2, and f of a is equal to f of b are equal. So then that means all the conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied. So all the conditions satisfied, then that means what? So then there exists C in A comma B. C in A comma B is nothing but what? C in, particularly here we are writing so minus 2 comma 2. Sometimes we are writing particularly. Okay, C in minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. So therefore we need to find the value of C in the interval. Okay, so f dash of x is already here. So f dash of x is what? 2x. F dash of x is 2x. F dash of C is 2c. Okay, so f dash of c is equal to 0. So is equal to c. So therefore c is equal to 0 divided by 2. So therefore c is equal to 0. So CA. So this is belongs to a. So definitely it belongs to minus 2 comma 2. Okay. So at this point in the interval minus 2 comma 2. So at this particular point, whose slope of the tangent is 0. Okay. So hence Rolle's theorem. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Okay. So right now. So next problem. Verify the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square minus 1 for x belongs to 1 comma 2. Solution. So f of x is 1. That is x square minus 1. So x belongs to 1 comma 2. X belongs to 1 comma 2. Yes. So first condition, whether this is continuous or not. So yes, this is also polynomial function. So being polynomial function, f of x is equal to x square minus 1 is continuous in 1 comma 2. Yes, it is a continuous being polynomial function. So next second condition. Okay. So f dash of x is equal to what? 2x. So exist. Okay. So therefore f of x is differentiable. Okay. So it is continuous, it is differentiable, no point equal 2 comma 1 comma 2. So f of a is equal to f of b, whether f of a is equal to f of b or not. The third condition. So f of x is equal to what? X square minus 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. That is f of 1 is equal to 0. So similarly f of 2 is equal to what? It is 2 square minus 1. That is f of 2 is equal to 4 minus 1. That is f of 2 is equal to 3. See here, this is f of 1, this is f of 2. So they are not equal. So therefore, f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. F of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Okay. So third condition is failed. Okay. So therefore, Rolle's theorem is not satisfied for this one. Okay. So first condition is satisfied, second condition is also satisfied, but third condition not satisfied. So if all the conditions are satisfied, so then there exists a point. So but the third condition failed. Okay. So here third condition, therefore third condition failed. Okay. So therefore Rolle's theorem not applicable for given function. Okay. It is not applicable for this given function. Okay. If you are all satisfied, if it is satisfy all the conditions, so then this is applicable. Okay. So right now. This is theorem. Hence Rolle's theorem. Hence Rolle's theorem not applicable for the given function. So f of x is equal to x square minus 1. So x in 1 comma 2. So particularly in the given this interval, so this is the Rolle's theorem not applicable. Okay. So next one, where is the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to bracket of x, greatest integer function x for x belongs to so 5 comma 9. See here, solution f of x is equal to bracket of x. Okay, so and x belongs to my 5 comma 9. So this is already you know that greatest integer functions. Okay, so greatest integer functions is not continuous at integral point. Already you know that. So greatest integer function, see here, the greatest integer function is like this. So this is y dash x dash. Okay, so this is 0 to 1. So this is the function. Okay, and this is from suppose it is 2. So this is from here to here, and suppose it is 2 to 3 to like this. Okay, so suppose we are taking the positive value for this positive real value. So graph is like this. Okay, so you see that, so this is not continuous at integer point. So see at the point 1, so this is not continuous. Okay, from 0 to 1 it is continuous from the interval. So interval 0 to 1 it is continuous. Okay, and in the interval 1 to 2 it is continuous. 1 to 2 it is continuous. From 2 to 3, so open interval 2 to 3 it is continuous. So that means, so it is not continuous at integral. So 1, 2, 3. So excluding this point, that means it is not continuous at integral point. Okay, so write that. So f of x is equal to bracket of x is not continuous at integral point. Okay, so thus it is not differentiable. It is not continuous means this implies it is not differentiable. Okay, so thus f of x is equal to bracket of x is not differentiable. Okay, so then therefore, so Rolle's theorem is not applicable for this. Okay, so hence so Rolle's theorem not applicable for f of x equal to bracket of x in 5 comma 9. Okay, so even though, so there exist points, so see so many points are existed. So all the points at which its slope is 0. That means, so converse of the Rolle's theorem is not true. Okay, that means f dash slope of the tangent is 0. So then the given function is not differentiable. It may or may not be differentiable, or it may or may not be continuous. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 1 to 0 to 1 ಅಥವಾ 1 to 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f dash of c 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. f dash of c 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ನೋಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Rolle's theorem is not be true. Okay, so write down this first. Similar type of problem. So verify the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to bracket of x in the interval -2, -2, 2. Okay, same problem. Okay, so f of x is equal to bracket of x. So this is belongs to -2 to 2. Okay, so f of x equal to bracket of x is not continuous at integral point. So this is already known that. So therefore I is in the given interval, so this is not continuous at the integral point. Thus f of x is not differentiable. Okay, it is not continuous, so then it is not differentiable. Okay, so in the given interval. Okay. So hence Rolle's theorem not applicable for f of x equal to bracket f x in the interval -2, -2. Okay, so right now. So take this as a note. So in the above two examples, we observe that f dash of x is equal to 0 at all non-integral point. Okay, so at integral point it is not differentiable. So but at non-integral point, so it is f dash of x is equal to 0. So non-integral point. So on all the point f dash of x is 0. So we take any point in between 1 and 2, excluding 2. Here also, it is f dash of x is equal to, that means slope. That means it is parallel to x axis. That means slope is 0. Okay. This shows given there exists point in a comma b such that f dash of x is equal to 0, the function need not be continuous. Okay. So f dash of x is equal to 0. Slope 0 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so it need not be continuous or differentiable at all points in a comma. Okay, so this implies what? The converse of Rolle's theorem not true. The converse of the Rolle's theorem not true. So everybody questions on the ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, so give an example for the converse of the Rolle's theorem is not true. Explain with an example. So andre so ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು so many points are existing in this points between this and non-integral point whose slope is 0. That means it is parallel to x axis. This is also parallel to x axis. And here you also take all non-integral point, it is differentiable. Okay, so therefore the converse of the Rolle's theorem is not mean or not true. Okay, so write down. So in the next sessions we are going to discuss about Honoral theorem, mean value theorem. Okay, so mean value theorem and some problems on mean value theorem. Okay, so thank you.